Hey guys, today I'm going to be using the Kojic acid soap, however you pronounce it. I've been using it for like a week now. So I really like how it makes my face look glowy once I use it, because a lot of soap what you use, like, you don't see that glow. Like, it's like a glow, once you use a mask and it gives you that glow. So I'm just tired of these dark spots in my face and I'm just ready. So I saw a lot of review. I purchased this soap on Amazon. So I saw a lot of people like reviewing this and I always wanted to try this. But I must say I really like how it do my face. I'm just waiting for my dark spots to leave. So I'm just washing my face. I think it says to leave it for like 10 seconds, on your face. Like sometimes we normally, once we have a soap on our face or with our face product, we automatically wash it out. But it says to leave it for a couple seconds. So I'm just gonna leave it for a couple seconds, 10 seconds. But since I'm doing a video, I'm just gonna wash my face up. So what I like about it is that glow, okay? So glow. But I've seen a lot of reviews. So I'm counting on you. So face off. And the thing is, like, every time I have a acne, like, it just say, okay, I'm gonna leave you a dark spot. Okay, I gone. It's so annoying. But just comment down below if you know anything that can get rid of dark spots. But I'm gonna continue using this soap because it just been a week.